How you doing? This garage door mic. We're going to show you Canyon Ridge 5-layer. Absolutely awesome looking. This is probably one of the most realistic wood doors I have put in. If you'd like to know some other realistic wood doors we put in, please give us a holler. This is the Clopay Canyon Ridge 5-layer. The 5-layer is similar to the 4-layer, except they give you this wood cladding in there, which looks absolutely awesome. Really nice window frames here. Everything went together beautifully for this. It's a 16 by 7/9. You can see I got it by ½ an inch all the way around, and did a really sweet job hanging this. Had 2 people helping because the top section weighs like 10,000 pounds, and you'll blow your back out with 2 guys. 1 guy, no way. 2 guys, maybe 3 guys, the best way. I'm going to bring it to the inside real quick to show you the stuff we did here. We'll put this down here a little bit. Okay, so the wire size is 306 by like 50s, so we had to angle brace those up there like so. Show you that. Okay. And we had to ceiling mount this. It's all the way. This is the only opener I'd put on this door too, by the way. It's the 85-87. I would not put belt drives on these doors. They are way too heavy. The rail will sag and bend, and then you'll end up burning out a trolley. This is the only opener I would put up there. Clopay does give you the 14 gauge hinge. We're going to see how well those do, but the rollers, we got rid of the Clopay 11 balls. Just there's no way those would work. They'd work for a few ups and downs, and then that's it. So we put in the 13 ball zinc. These are way better, way stronger, and they give you the nice jam brackets here. Okay, this is the Canyon Ridge 12 5-layer SQ23. Okay. They're pounding in weather strip right now. We did do 20s here. Wanted to maximize the space. We had about 21 inches over the top of this door, and it is a thick door, so we just squeezed it in. I'm talking by a hair. I got the top fixtures, you could see, all the way up, and they are tilted all the way forward. Still has the door. You can see this line gap here. It's pretty much equal all the way, which is nice. That's what you want. You don't have the panel leaning back like this or too far forward. And you can see the arm. We got the arm perfectly mounted. 15 inch or 20 inch horizontal, reinforced all the way pretty much to the back. Obviously they're hanging the weather strip. We got the pull cord. I'll bring you up here, show you the opener. We got 3, so you can see where I couldn't put the top cover on because it would have never fit. We needed this opener up, hugged all the way as high up as we could get it. You can see it's just missing that stuff barely. Up towards the front. Alright, I'm gonna open this door up, huh? You can watch it when it goes up. Right, whoa, got it by like a ½ inch. Beautiful. Nice and smooth and quiet, the 85-87. He's hanging the trim now. I'm going to close the door for the finishing of the video. Where'd it come down? That's good enough. Don't be hitting that door. Here it is, the Canyon Ridge 5-layer Clopay SQ23 top, design 12, urethane insulated for all your garage door needs, innovative door. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching the video. www.innovativedoor.com, 630-271-9343. We got all kinds of clopay doors we're putting in for everybody. They're great. Thanks for watching this video, the Canyon Ridge 5-layer, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.